Hello everyone, this is Melissa. I'm here with a second journal of Whimsy Delight, which is my digital kit. I have reused a dictionary cover. I have put stenciled some silver wax on the front. I've used different types of laces and some burlap for the spine. Little bits of sari silk for the tie. A few tabs and some dangles. Alright, let's open this little girl up. This journal was a request for similar using the Whimsy Delight kit, and well, here we go. In the front, so I of course deconstructed the book, and I used hanging file folder for the inside, front and back, and created pockets to stuff goodies in, paper flowers. Each signature, which there are 4 signatures, has 2 pages, so it's front and back. The front is the design and the back is the lined, and there are 2, and the corner photo corners were trimmed and added to each of the digital pages. Some labels added to each one, and I will just go ahead and flip through. Doily with butterflies, a little label pocket with a tag says Bliss. This is printed on inkjet matte clear sticker paper, so kind of like washi. This was just note paper that really matched the book, and a little tag. This is the washi tape again. Pockets are in the kit. A little bit of stenciling and some edging. This is my favorite wallpaper, and I included a couple pieces in here. A little bit of a stenciling. Pocket, and turn the page. It's a CD envelope. Each signature has one. This is from one of the pages from the kit. Eco-dyed paper. This is a library pocket, a little die cut, bit of lace added, and a stamped piece of manila folder that was tea stained. This is my tea stained paper. So throughout there's a couple pieces of tea stained, well, a lot of tea stained, and a couple pieces of the eco-dyed paper. This fancy fluffy trim has little crystal dangles on it. Tabs are a part of the kit. And this is one of the tags, just backed by manila folder. And the circles are in the kit, and I use that for a little tuck spot. Little bits of lace for tabs, center tied in a bow. Pocket from the kit, and one of the tags backed by a paper bag. More tea staining, lined portion of the kit, and the other side. Tea staining, a little bit of stenciling. Eco dye. This is one of the envelopes in the kit. An altered paper clip. Inside holds a little journaling card. And this is from the kit. It's one of my favorite. I don't know if you can see it, but it created a swirly pattern in the tea when I dipped it. And I loved it so much I went ahead and scanned it in, so I'd always have it. Right, this is the other side of that wallpaper, and a little fleur-de-lis embroidered piece attached to that. This is one of my jelly prints, and cut it down for a little journaling spot, and one of the file folders that's part of the kit. Another paper doily with butterfly. Second signature. Each signature is pretty much the same. They just have different elements. Different journaling cards, different butterflies, different digital pages. Little picture put onto, created a little postcard. So when you close it, postcard, open, journaling. This was a newly acquired piece of vintage material that on one of our excursions we found and absolutely loved it and thought it would go really well in here with this dangly trim. Another one of the file folders. One of the corners. Here's another one of the circles turned into an altered paper clip with a dangle. More tea staining, edging. Another one of the CDs. Another journaling card. The flap from the CD envelope turned into a pocket, journaling spot. One of the pages cut down. This is drawer liner and edged in a little bit of lace, a little bit of embroidered piece glued on there. And this is an altered envelope, tea stained, with the dictionary whimsical, full of whims, fantastical, odd in appearance. Inside is a small little notebook. And that just clips onto the page, again altered. This is just a little fabric pocket, and put a couple layers of this shiny fringe and did a little bit of the vine stitch journaling card. Again, center is tied, and on this is a pin with some beads. That was a gift from one of the swaps that I did quite a while ago, and that was made by Carrie. Postcard, part of the kit, backed onto index card, and one of the pockets from the kit. And this is the back of the drawer liner, and it made, this is part of the kit, so a piece of washi, I guess, and turned it into a little belly band. And here's the envelope, and this is just turned into a journaling spot, and it tucks right into a piece of the washi tape printed on just regular paper, and one of the words from the kit. More eco dye. Probably should try to go through this a little faster. One of the tags from the kit, and the pocket. Third signature. A little bit of twine and fabric vine on the edge there. This is just a journaling spot and a piece of note paper. That was really pretty. More of the washi on the clear sticker paper, and another piece of that beautiful textured wallpaper. Belly band. This one was printed on regular paper, and one of the images, or one of the pages cut down, turned into a journaling spot. And this is a claimant, F number, file number, our client, and title. So I thought I found those in one of our forays, and I got a bunch of them, so I thought that was really cool. Turned in a little journaling spot. Some more eco dyed, another page tab from the kit, another library pocket with actual public library that I had created a while ago. And behind it, just a journaling spot. Another page, another one of the circles and tags, and that's just backed with manila. Here is a fabric flip. I made these quite a while ago, and I believe this is the very last one. Absolutely loved them, so I'll have to make some more. More edging, center of the signature with bow, another lace tab, another one of the pockets, and tag lined with just regular lined paper, and more stenciling. This is a hanky that I turned into a pocket, and one of the tags, one of the pages cut down just to get this tag, and then these are tags in the kit lined with old dot matrix, I think it is, ledger paper, and whale tail tab. I didn't cut them apart, I kept them together and turned it into a little folded tag. Another one of the CDs lined with index card, and the CD pocket, and a little index card with one of the images from the kit, and journaling spot. The other part of that music washi tape, and this is one of the other envelopes, again turned into just a journaling spot with the word delightful. And is envelope, sorry, my stomach is gurgling, I have not had breakfast yet. Pocket, and turned into a journaling card from the kit. So the kit contains both the front and the back, so you can glue them together in a nice sturdy card. There, and another one of the pockets, and journaling card on ledger paper, file folder, and more doily and butterfly, and come to the last signature. This is another one of my eco prints, just single color. It is one of my most favorite masks or stencils, however you want to use it, and it's a coppery paint. And journaling card, and lined with index. Label pocket with two little tags. One says love, one says joy. And they are tea stained. Another one of the circle altered paper clips with one of the journaling cards, little postcard part of the kit. And this one says beauty and dream, and it has a little dragonfly and some beads. Sorry about that. Let me fiddle with this a little bit more. Okay, there we go. And some more eco dyed paper and a drawer liner. This is a little bit of lace. It is the very last piece I have of this. I absolutely love it. This was gesso, and actually the wallpaper I used as a stamp, like that. So I painted the wallpaper with gesso and then stamped the card over top of it. And this is just index card. I'm not index, I'm sorry, journaling spot. Another one of the tabs from the kit. Another one of the envelopes. And this is this is in the kit, printed out on the clear laser. I'm sorry, clear inkjet sticker paper. And this is just a journaling spot. I feel like fungal fingers today. All right, a little bit more stenciling. Center with the bow. Another lace tab and more of the vine. This is just a little fairy picture with a squirrel and some fairies, and just a simple tag. And the back of the drawer liner with another one of the embroidery patches. Another CD envelope. A little bit of the burlap and a butterfly. This is the flap from the CD envelope turned into a pocket with one of the circles used. And this is just an index card. Okay, get almost to the end. Another journaling spot on manila, and this is one of the index card dividers. One of the tags from the kit, and this is just a piece of stationery added to the kit. Almost to the end, very last. And one of my favorite things is the coffee filter and doily pouches. Just a store-bought journaling card, one of my collaged journaling cards, and tag from the kit. Last page, Ex Libris with room to put your name. And that is the end of this adorable journal. It is very full, and I do hope the person that is getting this truly likes it. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, everybody have a wonderful day. Thank you very much.